I'm here for his case.
Sir?
I'm a journalist. I'm here for his case.
Don't just take videos, sir. Please.
Okay, so let's do. First of all,
I feel happy. I didn't say.
you
Take off the mask. He's happy that we should see your face.
Me moto fita. Me see moto okoro. Ela nkofo be see moto obeche. Me ka se ba kunu wo minim na na meboa. Me na ye adwuma ma minim ni fie nyina.
eno ni hwan no?
Ayi.
Ataa Ayi.
Okay.
Minim ni fie nyina. Me minim se oye konfo ana oje ko. Me na me ye na adwuma nyina ma.
Ano nim say friend Ataa Ayi.
Sa na friend ho. Minim adwuma oye. Oye taxi driver. Oh. Enti debi me wo no ma me yare na me kokko me wo ko no am wa sorry dem na be che me see e hwehwe me say me no ma kwa koboko me kan bibia o ma nje antu e ma ya che me anti me sister be to waju more than 6 months ne de me call man 8 years try man 8 months 2010 ne jail me 30 years si me no say me menye hwe ti ama me shop na me wo shop o koro shop na egu me na fufu nyina
Shop now ye den.
Shesi moto. Me ame wo me shop.
No way.
E wo korok. Ana na me wo ba boy ba ko. Ana oba no so na we nya like 1 month. Na chi mo ko tu. Se de na me bonya me pai. No obi ehun se asem ya de to me so. Me ni mu hwe. Wa ja se. Ene e de atagi me se me na konform me konform. Me so me mo ko no da. Ni medjuma na me wacha se enti obi be ye adwuma ma wonti bi bisan se adwuma be no ye ansa no ye na adwuma ma me kan bibia e ma je Mr. Bafo bo no po ya de po ma me o ya de pa e ma me lawyer nyina se de be si na esi
Na
emras na me peja de sha
na court ba be say Kofi na kwedo e de ba no na nche da eni se e de ba no o fele sei
o me feel up se o ma ye fe o ma hwehwe mo hu se ampa me ni mu hwe e che so usi mutu mo bia se en se de ko no beto so se yem de so ma hwe mo hu se me ni mu bibia ti mu na me la wase
nti
na be depend me lo ana me lo so me born abaso we di actually more than 10 years
December na wo kachre
What do you have to say to your lawyer?
Ghana for
oh me da Ghana for nyina ase what I say me so me ye nipa ti me ye masamba system no so me so ma hwe mu su yi what I say me hwe mu su yi pa baby am wo nsa won me su ade papa me ye block leader what I say ana yen penny for so mo nsa won penny for officers omo so mo ye good omo hwe ye su yi what I say ye OIC ena ye 2IC omo nyina omo ye good tire so bia ye good omo no ti pepepe me pe kwa bontin e ko ye juma e mom de bia me koba omo se me nye ni pa bole
time na e di wo ko tu efiase no enya mfie sen
na mo 24 years
Okay, say oba ba na wedi 1 month ene uhu no.
say 1 year
me uno wa no
And how did you feel?
When me se me peso be kasa won't me show family sir what I say
and now
be man so ba
and now ujina e ushi
oh me ni enye ntokwa o baby owo anka phone for me so ka kosra no
Well, sir, Ataa Ayi.
to ko aba ka na hwe no
oh no I say me kosra no what I say enye wonu po ye like 9 kids but I say me kosra obi a ye fa boni entu aboni ka so say me kosra say me wo bibi adwuane bi ana bia say me fa nkomo say do obi so timi ye ma me no say me ye
experiences are unya e wo print no ye nyame bi na o hwe na office nyama o ye eye boni a e futu be na de ma sa ne
oh boys abese say ye hwe ehun yi what I say asem de wo wiem enka won be ka say wa so di hia the sunny heading. Said they do call prison. Simple no do but ne ba no. Nyame. What you say?
Nyame count. That's answer.
One word, orgasmic.
And what do you mean by orgasm?
It's just like the sheer relief and an outpouring of joy when you realize the fruits of your hard labor. Because since 2014, when the then 2IC of his own prison, Mr. Oswan Ponza, referred this case to me, I saw that there were merits in it and that there had been a massive miscarriage of justice. So I took it on, probably just because his condition and his situation was very, very. It was something that I cannot even find a word to describe. Because as you've heard from him, he had a son. His daughter was just 1 year old. He's a young budding man starting his career as a mechanic. And then through no fault of his, just by association, by virtue of his work, he was sent to prison. So we began the fight. But it's been this long because when we started, there were no records of appeal to use even to start the appeal. So we had to apply. When we got to the court archive, they couldn't find it. It's been back and forth. It took only last year, after my persistence, that we got this record of appeal. And then, so the record was now before the judges. And then we wrote the submissions. But even then, when we thought, I think last month or 2 months ago when we came here, we thought the thing was ready. Again, there was a bit of a hitch in the sense that, and it's something to do with the judicial service and their ways. But it doesn't matter. They say the harder the battle, the sweeter the victory. I'm very glad for him, and I think he can come out and he can start a new life. And it's days like this that we get some sort of professional satisfaction in the sort of work we do. So,
are you going to consider
247? He went to prison in his early years when he was very young and he was full of energy. And all those years have been wasted. He could have made a fortune. And then he's been incarcerated with no reward. So there should be some massive, and I say compensation. There should be some serious compensation. Money cannot make up for the time he's lost, but at least it can help him to start again.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Go the cook.
Because I'm very happy. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Anytime when I go there and visit him, I feel sad. I can't even eat well if I visit him. But today, it's a tears of joy. I'm very happy and I'm grateful.
I wish you all the best.
What's your name?
Okay.
Jennifer Agyekum. Thank you.
So that was the daughter of
And this is the daughter of
Yaw Asante Agyekum.
a year, a month.
5.1 FM. 5.1 FM. Yeah, Junimo.